what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. For tonight's video, your boy just picked up a JDM find. Something legit from JDM. Huh? JDM. Something legit. Something legit from JDM. But now, got a new seat, bro. What you got, Zosh? This what your daddy got, boy. This what Playboy got. Yeah. And it's reclinable. So this is gonna be my new driver's seat. The Sparko is going as a passenger seat. Just gotta get rails for it. Previous video, hope you guys enjoyed it and subscribe. And like I said, I don't know if I said it yet, but if you don't get 1,000 subscribers, bro, I will go down to each one of y'all mother. This thing is sick, man. Ice, ice, ice. Yeah. I owe you a 10-second car. I always wanted to do that. Oh my god, it's so comfortable.
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah, man. The weekend bandit strikes again. That's my dude laugh. So it's the next day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that review video. I haven't uploaded it yet, but it's time to install this bad boy today. This is a Bride Bricks 2 seat. It's not the Bride, what we said, super seat or something like that. That's just the rail. I don't know nothing about rail seats aside from my Sparko, but it's a Sparko. But we got a Bride, say, oh, bride to be. What's a Zosh video without something a little random? And also, my camera sold. I'm waiting to get my lens back because my boy Carlos might be able to fix it. So whoever bought the camera, it's coming with the working lens. That is something serious. Yay! Another seat video. For me, never like cleaning the car. I guess it ain't too bad. The back carpet is nice. The front carpet is not so nice. Your boy need floor mats ASAP. Ever since I got this seat, it had like dog hair and I have no idea how to remove it. I tried a lint roller, it doesn't really work, but my beautiful Sparko seat is out. Now it's time to put the Bride in, but before I do that, let me show you guys how your boy can clean up real nice, you hear me? Check yo boy out. On the camera, it doesn't really look that clean, but it's actually really clean. That carpet is horrible, dude. I really do need to get floor mats in here. I mean, that side looks pretty good still. The passenger side over there is okay, but. And mashallah marshmallow to the wrist. Blue Gotti on the strip on site, bitch, get in. Yo, just look at the difference. That is ridiculous, dude. That is crazy. If you ever meet me in person, you have to sit in the car, by all means, please ask so you can feel this. This thing is crazy. Bro, this seat is hella comfortable, bro. I'ma miss you, Sparko. And speaking of which, if you would like to own that seat, change your plans with mine, I'm actually gonna sell it with the Sparko seat rail. If you're interested, hit me up on Instagram and we can talk, I guess. Alright, the Bride is in, boy. Kind of. I just gotta bolt it up now, but wow. Thing is massively huge. Moving the car to the garage, dude, I sit so high now. Like, this is way too high for me. But right now, I'm gonna head, take a little drive to get like some beauty shots of the seat and all. I haven't driven my car in a couple days now, and I'm kind of scared to drive it. I don't want to like do a pull because I'm afraid it ain't gonna redline. I don't think I'll be able to do the beauty shots right now due to traffic, and I have a nasty smell of gas going on, and I've realized, I look back at my fuel pump cover, a screw is missing. So I'm guessing the gas smell is coming from that screw. And oddly enough, I think my redlining issue is fixed because I can redline second gear. I tried doing first, but like it bogs due to like me not having gas. So, but I redlined second. So I think my issue is fixed. I'm not too entirely sure. But when I put some gas in this beast and take it for another first gear pull or something like that, I'll let you guys know. What's up, guys? So it's the next day again. It's like a, what, 3-day vlog series now. But right now I'm headed up to the junkyard to get a bolt for the fuel pump tank cover crap because it's a fine thread. They only sell it at Honda and they come on like most Hondas or whatever. So I'm gonna head up to my local junkyard, pick up the screw, and then probably head to my barber's crib, help him with this car, and then close out today's video. Well, and do a nice product shot of this seat. Bro, this seat is so comfortable. Like, yeah, I sit a little high, but it's reclinable so I can go back and look low again. It's kind of cool, bro. It's a really cool seat. But without wasting more time sitting in this Django sun, let's head out to the junkyard. Made it to Snake Road, so let's see. Hopefully there's some Hondas on the yard. Usually, like, my junkyard don't have like where the you pull and you pay, or they have like an inventory of saying like what they have on the yard. Nah, they don't give a damn. What was supposed to be a cool little seat install video turns out to be me walking the yard trying to find some freaking screws. Well, look what we have here. I did not expect to see an Integra here. Oh, snap, son. And it was manual. I just need the fuel tank cover things on it. USDM front, it wasn't Jap. Let's see what's underneath. Damn. Hood heavy as shot. OEM boys. Cha-ching! Cha-ching. If I don't fix my trunk, this is how mine's gonna look. Yo, hell no, son. I don't know what happened there, but I'm fixing my trunk ASAP. Yo, Chris, bro, how much to fix my trunk? Damn, son.
I gotta get that little dimmer switch thing right there too, playboy.
This is a DC2. This is a GSR shell. And this is DVP. Wow. I didn't even pay it. Look how good the paint is, bro. It's better than my paint. Super facts. Damn, poor Integra guy. I know he's probably hurting somewhere. I feel for you, boy. I feel for you. Successful day at the yard. Got my screws, got my new cruise control thing. I got some bird poop on my windshield, but successful day at the yard. All right, so left where I was at. Now we at the barber's cribbo. About to get this thing crack-a-lacking. So the plan of action today, hopefully drop this motor. That should do it. I got about 2.5 hours to do it. I can do it. Let's start off with getting the axle out. Man, bro, you need to wash this car, bro.
Wash it? I did a paint job.
Super facts. Yeah, wash it with some paint, bro. YouTube, please don't demonetize me. We got some booby. Hey. All right, so I meant to say somewhat decently clean. You know what I'm saying? Not too much dirt on me. And this engine's about to come out, so what we had to do was just remove some axles, ball joint, and he had to cut the header off because he was like, F it, so he just cut it off, and then now we're just gonna drop it. Now, granted, this isn't the right way to drop a motor due to him not caring, and well, if he don't care, then you know me, Zosh built. So we're just gonna drop it on the dolly itself.
Demolo built.
Demolo built?
Demolo built.
Demolo my damn haircut, bro. New Year's in a couple days and I look like freaking 12 years a slave. So I just tried making like a cool cinematography type thing, but I mean, there's really so much you can do with the seat. So, I mean, this is just how it looks in the car. It's nice, bro. The Bricks 2 is a really nice, comfortable seat. It's just like, you sit a little high in it, but bro, it's pretty nice, man. Like, it's really dope. I really do like this seat a lot compared to my Sparko. But I'm a Sparko fanboy for life. But man, this seat is really nice, dude. At last. How do you feel, bro?
Tired.
But we got it out. The Zosh way. Somehow it worked. I mean, sure, he can never run AC again. But nah.
And we live in Florida. Good thing I'm moving to North Carolina.
Facts. My barber's leaving me, bro. She might have to cut my hair off. No, actually, they give me a reason not to cut my hair off. Now we're just loosening transmission. So you got one right. Where's it at? You got that one loose already, right here. You got one right here. And then you got one on the other side of the right there. You see it? Yep, that is gonna wrap it up for today's video. Well, these 3.5 days of a video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy today's video, can you go ahead and get out the little slide bar and go on the like button for me one time? That would be greatly appreciated. Shout out to the homie Weekend Bandit for the seat, man. He gave me such an amazing deal on this seat, bro. Like, I'm so glad, like, people love me enough to give me good deals on seats, man. I shouldn't have bought the seat knowing that I have, like, stuff coming up, but, like, bro, I couldn't beat it. Content, right? It's content, you know what I'm saying? If you're an automotive YouTuber, you gotta buy parts, because that's your job. Your job is to literally buy parts, film you installing them, and keep the cycle going. That's literally how to become an automotive YouTuber, honestly. and be rich, because if you're like me, then you're not having no money. Thank you guys for watching this video. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for all the amazing feedback on the last video, and shout out to you guys for getting my boy Bernie 1,000 subscribers, man. Man, that's so thankful. If you'd like to check out his channel, link down below. Link down to zoshmfg.com. I got some hoodies and stuff over there. You know what I'm saying? I still haven't done my product shots yet, but hey, check the website for all the new merch. And that's gonna do it for this video. I will see you guys in tomorrow's video and so on and so forth. I'll catch you guys on the next one. I'm out. Peace.